we are going to post it to the ledger accounts. So before which, let us see the format of ledger format. Let us see the ledger format, how this will look like. So this is also called as a T-shaped format, T format, because this will be divided into two parts. So first you are going to write the account name for which you are preparing the ledger account. Okay, and you have to divide that into two parts: debit side and credit side. Left side part will be called as debit side, and the right side part of the account will be called as credit side. So on both sides we will have 4 columns. First column is related with the date. Second one will be the particulars. And JF is journal folio. Journal folio indicates in which page you have written the journal entries. That page number is indicated here for reference, and the amount you are going to write in the amount column. So the same columns will be repeated on the credit side: the date, particulars, journal folio, and amount rupees. Okay, so these are the column names that will be repeated on both sides. 4 column names. Okay, so how you are going to show here on account names? Here on debit side, whatever the account that you are going to indicate, that will be prefixed with the word TO2, and then you are going to write the account name, and you are going to show the amount in the amount column. So whatever the account that you are going to show on the credit side of the account, you prefix the word buy, BY buy, and then write the account name and show the amount in the amount column. Okay, so date in the date column related with that particular account. Okay, and like that you go on recording all the account names in debit side and credit side, whatever it is related with that particular account that you are posting. Okay, and at the end of the month you are going to total the both sides. You are going to total both sides, and sometimes there will be you will be showing the total amount equally on both sides, even though they are not equal. The difference amount how you are going to show is at the end of the month. If credit side is more than, total is more than debit side of that account, for suppose, so you are going to show the difference amount on the end of the date of that particular month, and you are going to show here as to balance carried down. C/D indicates carried down, and the difference amount you are going to show in the amount column like this. Okay, and this amount should be forwarded to the next month on first, whatever may be the month I am taking here. On first of next month you are going to show it as on credit side as BY by balance brought down, and amount you are going to show in the amount column. So this is what it is called as balancing of an account. So always for all the accounts this won't happen, that credit side will be more and debit side will be less. Like that it won't be a fixed one. Sometimes there may be debit side, for some accounts debit side will be more, will be more than the credit side. So in such a case what you are going to do is you are going to reverse this, that you are going to show at the end of the month by balance carried down, same carried down, but you are showing on the credit side. Amount you are going to show here whichever is less on the credit side than the debit side. Balance amount only you are going to show here. Difference amount, balance is difference here. Difference between the total of credit side and debit side. Okay, so this amount you are going to forward it to the opposite side, that is debit side of first of next month, and you are going to write it as to balance brought down. Okay, so always outside the total you are going to write as brought down. That may be on debit side or credit side. Inside the account you are going to write it as carried down. So this is most important thing that you have to keep in mind. And the difference amount which you have borrowed here in terms of balance carried down, that same amount you are going to show here as brought down. Okay, so this is called as what? Balancing of account. If we do a particular problem, you will be understanding better. Okay, so this is the format of ledger account. Any doubt